Hello, I'm Jesse Myles of the Myles Group, and today I'm going to answer the question about how important is the final walkthrough. In my opinion, the final walkthrough is very important. It's the last step of the real estate transaction before actually going through and signing through all the documents for your home. And with that being said, you want to make sure that everything that was negotiated during your option period, like certain repairs, you want to make sure that those are done before closing. Because once you close, the home is yours. For those who are thinking about buying a new home, I would say the final walkthrough is important. Because you want to make sure that the builder is providing you with everything that they said they would. Because once again, once you sign those documents, the home is really yours. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact me at the information below.